A car can feel perfectly fine on Monday, start normally all week, and then on Saturday you're standing in a parking lot wondering why it's overheating, won't shift right, or suddenly needs a repair that costs way more than you expected. And the frustrating part is, most of the time it didn't happen overnight. Cars rarely fail without warning. Most expensive repairs start with small maintenance items that were ignored. Here's the thing. A maintenance schedule isn't about doing everything all the time. It's about handling the predictable stuff before it turns into a real problem. Think of maintenance as protecting your investment, not just fixing problems. Every vehicle is a little different, and your owner's manual should always be your final reference, but the basic idea stays the same. Small routine services keep wear under control, help your car last longer, and save you from those painful surprise repairs. If you enjoy practical maintenance advice that saves money, subscribe, because this kind of stuff matters a lot more than most drivers realize. The first big one is engine oil and the oil filter. Clean oil is what protects the inside of your engine from heat, friction, and wear. When oil gets old, it stops doing that job as well, and that's when engine parts start wearing faster than they should. A lot of people delay oil changes because the car still seems fine, and that's exactly why it gets skipped. No noise, no warning, no urgency. But that little maintenance job today can prevent a huge repair tomorrow. Oil change intervals vary a lot depending on the engine, the oil type, and how you drive, so don't guess. Follow the manual, and if your car sees a lot of short trips, stop-and-go driving, towing, or extreme temperatures, that usually means service matters even more. Right after that, tire rotation is one of the easiest ways to save money. Tires don't wear evenly on their own. Front and rear tires do different jobs, especially on front-wheel drive cars, and if you never rotate them, one pair wears out much faster. That affects handling, traction, and how soon you need a new set of tires. The surprising part is how inexpensive this service usually is. While you're down there, check tire pressure at least once a month. Most drivers ignore it because it only takes a few minutes and doesn't feel urgent, but underinflated or overinflated tires wear poorly, affect fuel economy, and make the car feel worse to drive. This next service is one that many owners completely forget: brakes. I'm not just talking about brake pads. Pads, rotors, and brake fluid all matter. People delay brake work because they don't want to spend the money, or they figure they can wait until the noise gets worse. Bad idea. Worn pads can damage rotors. Old brake fluid can absorb moisture over time, and that can reduce braking performance and stress the system. If your brakes squeak, grind, pulse, or feel soft, don't wait. The smarter move is regular inspection so you catch pad wear early before it turns into a bigger repair. Air filters are another overlooked one. The engine air filter helps your engine breathe properly, and a clogged filter can hurt performance and sometimes fuel economy. The cabin air filter affects the air you breathe inside the car and helps the HVAC system work the way it should. People ignore these because they don't seem important, but they're cheap compared to the problems caused by neglecting basic airflow and ventilation. Most expensive repairs begin right here, fluids people never think about. Coolant is a huge one. Coolant doesn't just keep the engine from freezing in winter. It helps control heat, protect the radiator, and prevent corrosion inside the cooling system. A lot of drivers never touch it unless the car overheats, and by then the damage may already be done. This may seem boring, but it can save you thousands. Hoses and belts matter too. Cracks, swelling, leaks, or a weak belt can leave you stranded fast. Now, to be fair, some belts and hoses last a long time, but they still need to be inspected. And this is where preventive maintenance really pays off. Transmission service is one of those jobs people avoid because the car still shifts, so they assume everything's okay. But transmission fluid breaks down over time, and clean fluid helps with lubrication, cooling, and smooth shifting. Neglecting it can turn a manageable service into one of the most expensive repairs on the vehicle. Same goes for power steering fluid if your car uses it. It helps protect the steering system and the pump, and it's easy to forget until steering starts feeling noisy or heavy. Battery inspections deserve more attention too. Batteries usually don't fail at a convenient time. Corrosion on the terminals, a weak battery, or charging system issues can leave you with a no-start situation out of nowhere. Most drivers delay battery checks because starting problems seem random, but a quick inspection can catch a lot before you're stuck. While you're at it, check all the basic fluids regularly. Engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, washer fluid, and anything else your vehicle uses. That habit alone can help you spot leaks early. Which maintenance item do you usually put off? Let me know in the comments, because honestly, most drivers have one. Wheel alignment is another one that gets ignored because people don't always notice it right away. But if the steering feels off-center, the car pulls, or the tires are wearing unevenly, alignment could be the reason. It affects tire life, fuel economy, and how stable the car feels on the road. Tune-ups, where applicable, still matter too, especially on vehicles that call for spark plug replacement at specific intervals. Fuel filters can also be important depending on the vehicle. And don't forget basic things like windshield wipers and seasonal inspections before summer heat or winter cold. Then there's the timing belt or timing chain. This small maintenance item protects one of the most expensive parts of your vehicle. If your engine uses a timing belt and it's neglected, failure can cause severe engine damage on some vehicles. Timing chains usually last longer, but they're not automatically maintenance-free. This is one area where the manufacturer's schedule matters a lot. The biggest mistake of all is waiting until something breaks. People do it because life gets busy, the car still runs, and maintenance feels easy to postpone. But the smarter alternative is simple. Follow the manual, pay attention to warning lights, don't ignore unusual noises, and stay ahead of the basics. The good news is, most of these services are simple and predictable. Routine maintenance isn't just another expense. It's one of the cheapest ways to keep your car safe, reliable, and on the road for the long haul. Take care of the small stuff now, and you give yourself a much better chance of avoiding the big stuff later. That's how vehicles reach high mileage without draining your wallet. Subscribe if you want more simple car maintenance guides that help your vehicle last longer.